Hello world, I am from the Philippines and I am taking CS50X because I would like to provide myself with a good source of information in computer science, which is needed right now in various fields. CS50X will teach me how to use some of the programming languages, which is beneficial to me since I will be using this one in the field of work. This course has many challenging assignments, problem-solving techniques that will enhance my ability to solve, breaking complex problems into smaller parts for continuous learning and improvements. This will also encourage me to work on my projects from scratch that will sharpen my ability to think. This will also widen myself on how I will manage my time and valuing my skills to balance responsibilities, dealing with deadlines that apply to almost everything. My name is Neil Jigger Agan and this is CS50.